Good everyone, in this video, we will be solving a third-order ordinary differential equations using Laplace transform. Here we have our problem y triple prime plus 3y double prime plus 3y prime plus y is equal to 0. And we have three conditions: y of 0 is equal to 1, y prime of 0 is equal to 0, and y double prime of 0 is equal to 0. First, we need to get the Laplace of both sides. Laplace of y triple prime plus 3y double prime plus 3y prime plus y is equal to the Laplace of 0. Since y is equal to y of t, and Laplace of y of t is equal to y of s, so the Laplace of y prime is equal to sy of s minus y of 0. And applying our conditions, it will become sy of s minus 1. And the Laplace of y double prime is equal to s squared y of s minus sy of 0 minus y prime of 0. And if we apply our conditions again, it will become s squared y of s minus s. And the Laplace of y triple prime is equal to s cubed y of s minus s squared y of 0 minus sy prime of 0 minus y double prime of 0. And if we apply our conditions, it will become s cubed y of s minus s squared. So, balikan natin yung ating equation na Laplace of y triple prime plus 3y double prime plus 3y prime plus y is equal to the Laplace of 0. And isa-substitute natin yung values na nakuha natin kanina. S cubed y of s minus s squared plus 3s squared y of s minus s plus 3sy of s minus 1 plus y of s is equal to 0. Para ma-simplify ang ating equation, isa-substitute natin yung 3 na nandun sa labas. So, s cubed y of s minus s squared plus 3 squared y of s minus 3s plus 3sy of s minus 3 plus y of s is equal to 0. Since meron tayong like term, i-group natin siya. X cubed y of s plus 3s squared y of s plus 3s y of s plus y of s minus s squared minus 3s minus 3 is equal to 0. So, need natin i-factor out yung negative value and ilalabas natin yung y of s. S cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 y of s minus s squared plus 3s plus 3 is equal to 0. Next is ililipat natin yung s squared plus 3s plus 3 doon sa kabila. So, s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 is equal to s squared plus 3s plus 3. Naging positive na siya. So, after natin ma-cancel out, ang value na nakuha natin ay y of s is equal to s squared plus 3s plus 3 over s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1. And after natin makuha yung value ng y of s na s squared plus 3s plus 3 over s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 is, since alam naman natin na yung s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 is equal lang siya sa s plus 1 raised to 3, so i-rewrite lang natin siya. So y of s is equal to s squared plus 3s plus 3 over s plus 1 raised to 3. Partial fractions decomposition. So yung y of s natin is equal to a over s plus 1 plus b over s plus 1 squared plus c over s plus 1 raised to 3. So isusulat lang natin yung value ng ating y of s na s squared plus 3s plus 3 all over s plus 1 cube is equal to a over s plus 1 plus b over s plus 1 squared plus c over s plus 1 cube. And para matanggal yung denominator ng ating y of s, i-multiply lang natin siya sa s plus 1 raised to 3. So after natin ma-multiply both sides by s plus 1 raised to 3, ang magiging values natin ngayon ay s squared plus 3s plus 3 is equal to a multiplied by s plus 1 raised to 2 plus b s plus 1 plus c. And to simplify further, s squared plus 3s plus 3 is equal to a times s squared plus 2s plus 1 plus b times s plus 1 plus c. So s squared plus 3s plus 3 is equal to, i-distribute lang natin yung a dun sa s squared plus 2s plus 1. So as squared plus 2as plus a plus i-distribute natin ulit yung b, so bs plus b plus c. So next is i-group natin yung like terms. So ang magiging ano natin ngayon is s squared plus 3s plus 3 is equal to as squared plus 2a plus b times s plus a plus b plus c. Therefore, s squared is equal to as squared. So, para makuha natin yung value ng a, i-divide natin both sides by s squared. So, ang makukuha nating value, a is equal to 1. So, next is yung 3s. So, 3s is equal to 2a plus bs. So, para makuha natin yung value ng b, i-divide natin both sides by s. So, ang makukuha natin is 3 is equal to 2 times a, which is 1, plus b. So, 3 is equal to 2 plus b. And since 3 minus 2 is 1, so ang value ng b natin ay 1. Last is yung 3. So, 3 is equal to a plus b plus c. And since alam naman natin na yung value ng a at b ay 1, so i-substitute na lang natin siya. So, 3 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus c. And since 1 plus 1 is 2 and 3 minus 2 is 1, so alam natin na yung value ng c is also 1. So, it will give us the value na y of s is equal to 1 over s plus 1 plus 1 over s plus 1 squared plus 1 over s plus 1 raised to 3. So let us now use inverse Laplace transform. So y of s is equal to inverse Laplace of, ikakopy lang natin yung mga values natin kanina. Inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 plus 1 over s plus 1 raised to 2 plus 1 over s plus 1 raised to 3. So, need lang natin i-distribute yung inverse Laplace in each term. So, y of s is equal to inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 plus inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 squared plus inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 raised to 3. So, after natin ma-distribute yung inverse Laplace, magiging y of t na siya. So, the inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 is e raised to negative t. Plus the inverse Laplace of s plus 1 raised to 2 is, which is t e raised to negative t. Plus the inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 raised to 3, which is t squared over 2 e raised to negative t. So, pwede na itong maging final answer, or kung gusto mo po kang i-simplify, pwede mo pa siyang i-simplify. So, magiging y of t is equal to, since pare-parehas naman silang may e raised to negative t, ipa-factor out na lang natin siya. So, e raised to negative t times 1 plus t raised to 2 over 2. So, kung gusto mo pang mas i-simplify pa, pwede mo pa siyang gawin y of t is equal to e raised to negative t multiplied by 2 plus 2t plus t squared all over to 2. So, yun na yung ating magiging final answer.